Hi, Tylee Ho. By the way, ma'am sir, my name is Gemma. I'm 32 years old. I'm from Biayon, Sirius, Minas, Zamboanga del Norte, Philippines. I'm a single parent. I have an 8-year-old son and 2 daughters, and their ages are 14 years old and 3 years old. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking and baking, and I'm also a pet lover. I have 1 dog and 2 cats. My expertise are elderly care and child care. I work as domestic helper in Malaysia for 2 years and 5 months from 2017 till 2019. I serve one couple and one elderly couple and their children, and their ages are 25 years old, 23 years old, 21 years old, 18 years old, and 16 years old. And I'm also working in Abu Dhabi for 2 years and 8 months from 2021 till 2024. I serve one couple and their 3 children, and their ages are 16 years old, 12 years old, and 10 years old. My duties are taking care of the children, the elderly, washing, cleaning, marketing, and also giving medicine to the elderly couple. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money to support my kids and my parents, and I'm willing to take good care of elderly or a newborn baby. I can sing a nursery song like Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. To my future employer, ma'am and sir, please choose me as your housemaid because I'm a hardworking, obedient, honest, and dedicated to my work. I promise and do my best to be a good housemaid, and I promise to prioritize my job and finish my 2 years contract or more. Thank you, ma'am and sir, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.